Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.5, Problem 13. This is Section 4.5, Problem 13. It says solve the following. And we have 26% of 50 is what number? So first we have to make it an equation, then we have to solve the equation. So to make it an equation, the word of gets changed to multiply. Is gets changed to equal. So 26% of 50 is 26% times 50. Then is becomes equals, and what number? We can just call it n. Now to actually solve it, that 26% is better written in its decimal form, which would be 0.26. So I have 0.26 instead of 26% times 50 equals n. Now if your teacher will let you use a calculator for this class, you can just multiply 0.26 times 50 equals and you get the answer right away. If you can't use a calculator, what you will do is you can just do 0.26 multiplied times 50. And you could multiply in either order. You can put the 50 on top if you like. And do that multiplication out. So 0 times 0.26, you're going to get zeros. Then you put in a 0 to hold your place. 5 times 6 is 30. So you put in the 0 from the 30, carry the 3. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 more that you carried is 13. And now you add 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 again is 0. Nothing plus 3 is 3. Nothing plus 1 is 1. Now you have to put the decimal in the correct place. In the problem, there were 2 places to the right of the decimal point. So in the answer, there must be 2 places to the right of the decimal point. So 13.00, which you could just call 13. And that's the answer. 26% of 50 is 13.